Let's talk about it. If you have an IRS agent assigned to your case, what do they know about you? I always have to tell my taxpayers when I give them a 433A, which is a financial statement, they're always like, well, do I just need to list this bank account, like the one bank account? And I'm like, no, sir, no, ma'am. Like all the bank accounts, like all the financial accounts. And they were like, how do they know? Well, they really know. And all I have to say is, as a tax attorney, filling out the 433A financial statement is really, I would call it like a test. The IRS and the federal government have a lot of information about taxpayers. They can pull credit reports. They pull accurate reports to see vehicle ownership, real estate ownership. They pull Secretary of State's websites to see if you have an ownership interest in business. They also have some of that information, obviously, from the IRS when entities are formed. And so they compile all that data, and then they ask you to answer a financial statement like, where do you bank, where do you work, where are your financial institutions, where are your accounts, what assets do you hold? And it's really a test. It is a test to see, are you gonna lie? And people want to lie. And you know what? It's really not a big deal to owe the government money. I mean, it is a big deal, but it's fixable. Like there's 100 different ways to deal with that. What is not fixable and really problematic when I'm defending people is lying, committing perjury. That's a felony. And that will turn your civil tax matter into a criminal tax matter. And so there is no faster way than just lying on a financial statement. This happens in tax, it happens in bankruptcy. I mean, it happens in mortgage applications. When you sign something under penalty of perjury, you need to be accurate. And you need to assume that anything that is public record or reachable by records can be easily verified. And if your opponent is the federal government and the Internal Revenue Service, you need to assume that they have most of that information when you fill out that form. That is all.